Hello everybody. Today we're going to take the time to unbox our February Sip and Stitch box. I'm so excited to show you everything that's inside of it. Let's get started. Open the box and the first thing you see is a thank you card. A thank you card from the company. And then this cute little accessories pouch. Yarn is my love language. So cute. In the bottom here, there's 3 packets of Moroccan mint, Stash Moroccan mint. That'd be yummy. And then the best part, this gorgeous yarn from Yarnaceous Fibers. It says Salta Fingering, and it's merino and nylon, 437 yards, 110 grams. It has pink and a little bit of green and some purple. Ooh, let's get that back in focus. There you go. That's a really good shot of the colors in this yarn. Going a little deeper, you've got this cute sticker. Love stickers. Stickers on the computer, stickers on my, mostly on my computer. A packet of soak wash. Some cute progress keepers from Monster Stitches. These are blue and purple to go with the yarn. And then you've got some bath salts from Corn Creek Fibers. Let's see. Rose milk and honey, and the ingredients are magnesium sulfate, baking soda, citric acid, milk, mango butter, honey, and essential oils. And those are all the goodies in the box. Oh, nope, I forgot. There's a pen, a thank you pen. If you want to order a box, all the links will be in the description. There's enough to make a pair of socks and a really nice soak in the tub and some tea and a pouch to keep all the goodies in. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.